welcome back to my channel. Keep my life in order, your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. Y'all, in today's video, we are about to run some errands today. I don't know what I'm gonna title this. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog or a day in the life or something like that. Y'all see my grandbaby back there? Say hey. No? Okay. Well, anyway, y'all, we got some things to do today, and I don't know, I need to get out of here because we got a lot of running around to do, and I'm gonna explain everything to you guys probably later on in the video to let y'all know what's going on. But right now I need to go to pick up my uniforms, and then we need to go to the bank, and then I need to get some more bottoms for some of my employees, and then I need to stop at my mom's house, pick up my niece, you know, things like that. So I got a lot of running around to do today. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and get in these things. Oh, this looks so nice, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my god, these look so nice. Oh my god, y'all. Words can explain. The scrubs look absolutely amazing. So now I'm about to head to, I gotta stop by my mom's house and pick up my niece. Plus she wanna see her great grandbaby. So we're about to head there next. And then once I leave there, I'll figure out what's gonna be my next game plan. So I will see y'all. My mama's house, y'all, in the massage chair, and this one just would not. She would not give me my space, y'all. She's just up under her grandma. Look. But this massage chair feels so good, y'all. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good, y'all. Ooh. Across the bridge, y'all. Woo. So in the previous clip you just seen, you guys, I was actually talking to one of my cleaning technicians. So now I can tell you guys everything that's going on. If you've been following me for quite some time, you knew that I used to have a cleaning service, and I am revamping that whole service again, you guys. I am super duper excited about it. I'm happy, y'all. I mean, this time I'm going into the industry with a different mindset. I got a whole business scope that I'm working on. I'm changing the demographics of my business, and so I'm very, 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 very happy about the way I'm doing things. So today, me and my cleaning technician, I wanted to sit down and go over him about the presentation that I want them to do when they're having, when they're meeting new potential clients, because you know, presentation is everything to me. So I had went over here and discussed the script with him, you know, that they're going to say before the cleaning and after the cleaning. And also there were just a couple of cleaning tools that I really wanted to make sure that they were comfortable with using, and I wanted to show them how to handle it in the event, you know, because sometimes, like ceiling fans, some ceiling fans can be a little loose at times. And then also when you're cleaning ceiling fans, the blades, you have to control the blades, because if not, it'll keep spinning, and so you have to control the blades as well. So I wanted to show them how to do that, show them how to go over that. And we did some more scouting today, meaning that we actually went out and we actually advertised the business. So we did a lot. We had a lot of good traction today. I was able to do an estimate today. Also, I'm trying to recruit some other people to market in the area. So I am just, y'all, I am in such a bliss right now. I am in such a bliss right now. So that's where we are. That's where I am. Starting my cleaning business over again. It's keeping my life in order, cleaning and organizing services. So we're starting it again. And like I said, it's a very, very lucrative business, y'all, because I had just started, I think like in 2019, and so my business was really popping off, and then COVID hit, and so it was just like, dang, once COVID hit, things got a little bit, you know, I just kind of just fell off with it, you know, because I do residential cleaning, I don't do commercial cleaning. And so yeah, y'all, I am very, very, very excited about this. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.